Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5045E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M front end loader. The tractor has just over 100 hours on it. Very nice, very clean tractor. It does still come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2027. So practically a new machine here. Again, does come with the 520M quick attach front loader. Has the global style quick attach for your bucket connection. Front grill guard is on the machine. The tractor looks practically new. Does have the rollover, foldable rollover bar. Complete 3-point hitch with the drawbar, top link, and stabilizer bars. Rear hydraulic outlet back here. See, there's barely any paint off the floorboard. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions, please contact us at masttractor.com.